Skeletons are basically lever systems. Levers represent one of the simplest machines. Despite the lever's simplicity, though, they provide versatility of function to skeletons. In skeletons, the engine is muscle. Muscles by themselves are fairly limited in their capabilities to do work. By coupling muscles with lever systems, though, muscles' capabilities can be expanded considerably. For example, locomotion involves both acceleration and maintaining steady speed. Each requires different things. Acceleration requires application of high force, while steady speed requires minimum work. By itself, muscle cannot supply both. By being built into a skeletal system of articulated levers, both things are now possible. To give another example, muscles should be able to power jumps, but only in a very limited way. By coupling muscle power with elastic storage, animals can jump in ways that would not be possible with muscle itself. As you watch the videos to follow, I'd like you to keep three things in mind. First, remind yourself of the distinctions between force, work, and power, and keep these concepts in mind as you explore articulated skeletal systems as systems of levers. Second, keep in mind what is meant by acceleration and the energetic implications of this. Third, keep in mind the meaning of elasticity and the importance of elastic energy storage, as well as the relationship between power and work.
Thank you.